Okay, stop. Stop. Wait. Today we are gonna be trying a new style that I've never tried before, and that is pipe cleaner curls. So I've got my products here, very nervous. I took to my Instagram stories earlier this week asking you guys for suggestions on another hairstyle because we're looking flat, we're looking a little dull. I'm a little bored, not gonna lie. And y'all gave some great suggestions, so thank you so much for doing that. And if you missed out on the question that I asked, make sure you don't miss out in the future, so go ahead and follow me on IG and TikTok. I am a little bit more active on those platforms, so make sure you follow me on those. Y'all gave a lot of suggestions. Someone said lock pedals. Actually, 2 people said lock pedals, one with bangs. Definitely gonna be trying that. I just cannot wait to try these styles. So I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, but I did pick up 2 bags of pipe cleaners from Michael's. They have 100 pieces each. And then my good friend recommended the Do. Very excited to be trying this. She swears by it and I believe her, so we're gonna give this a try. I've never tried this product either. So this video is a full new experience. So come on with me and let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, if you haven't already done so, I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more styles, more tech content, more everything. So I do encourage you to do that. I'm also gonna be using scissors. Cut this off like this. I got 2 bags just to be safe because better to be safe than sorry. Oh, okay, should I use 1 or 2? This is 2. Oh, they're so soft. This is 1. Well, these are still 2, but this is 1. I'm trying to debate, let's do a test. I'll probably end up cutting it in half. I watched this tutorial, so shout out to you. Thank you so much because I needed the help. I'm gonna put my hair all up and start from the back. Okay, let me place my mirror here because I need that. Okay. Y'all, the bun's getting bigger. You see her? I think, y'all, think this is enough. Maybe 3 to 4, I believe. Yep. Okay, so let's try it. I'm gonna shake this up. Ooh, that smells glorious. Okay, so this says do not apply any oil to your hair before applying this product. So I don't have anything else on my hair right now. For best results, we need to do that. It can be used to style wet and dry hair. So if you want a medium hold, do wet. Dry hair will give you a firm hold. So my hair is completely dry, bone dry. So, okay, y'all know I like to test a new product. Okay, that's actually, ooh. That's actually all coated. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want this whole, y'all. And I plan on leaving this in for a couple of days because actually my future sister-in-law, we are going with her wedding dress shopping. Huh, put it around, oh, that's gonna be a tight curl. Okay, and then I'm tucking the end. I hope you can see this because y'all, this is gonna be trial and error, so bear with me. Okay. So now I'm gonna, oh, this is gonna be time consuming. Ooh, this is looking right, I believe. Oh, y'all, this is gonna be crazy curly, I hope at least. Okay, we're at the root. Uh-oh, did I leave too much? And then I folded it down. Ooh, I can't talk. Okay, it's looking a little short. Okay, am I supposed to cut this though? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone. Moving on. That was actually not bad. It's just the making sure you got it together, you know? And one reason why I went with this style is because y'all know I struggle with rollers. Y'all have seen the history of my struggle and my sleep with those things. So, I don't have time for that. So, we're not doing rollers. Okay, again, let me, can y'all see? Okay. I'll try to do my best. Once I get my rhythm, you know how that is. Once you get that down, it'll be flying colors. But for the time being, I need to take my time. Actually, might have should've. I think it'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I think that one's done. Yeah. I can't see it, but it feels done. Actually. Oh, okay, it's a little curl out on that one, but it's all right. I hope those ends don't be poking me. Maybe I need to cut those. But y'all, don't forget, I'm gonna be in Maryland in May for the Tiny Locs experience, along with so many other beautiful loc queens. So y'all come out, show up. We will be in there deep. So I'll leave that information in the description. You don't want to miss that. This is actually not too bad, but let me not speak too soon. Okay, I know y'all can see that. Look at that length. Stop playing. Wow. Oh, I actually twisted this up wrong. I probably should. It's okay. It'll all be curly. I don't know. That one did feel longer. I guess not. Okay. There's that one. Oh, that feels weird. So I'm gonna keep on moving along. I'll catch up with y'all in just a little bit. This feels weird. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to go out looking like this? I'm feeling, y'all, please don't tell me it's a loc hanging. What the actual heck? I don't know how I always end up leaving one loc. Now, where are you supposed to be? You know what? You just about to get wrapped up by yourself, cause that is crazy. How did I not feel that this whole time? Oh, I'm mad about it. It never fails, y'all. It never fails. I'm not used to seeing my hair this short either. Now, I am a little concerned because the center of my head has always been thicker than the rest of my head. So I wonder, how will that be, you know? I feel like some are gonna be tighter than the others, especially like the perimeter, but hopefully it's not too noticeable of a difference because that's just how my hair is. It's always gonna be thicker on the inside than the out. I'm not feeling too much of any tension, so yeah, I want to keep this in for a little bit because y'all know I feel like my curls don't really hold too much, so I want to make sure that these are in there. They're signed, sealed, and delivered. But yeah, it took me about 3 hours. So yeah, this is time consuming, I can say. Y'all, it's the next day. I said I was gonna keep this in a couple days, but I have to take these out. I had such a bad sleep last night that I now have a migraine. So I'm going to fight to take this out. And y'all, I put on a full face of makeup just because I wanted to see what it looks like. And I actually really like it like this. It's giving me like almost like an anime look or like a bow / pixie cut look. Like I just really like this, and I hate that I can't keep it like this longer because if I was having good sleep, I would leave this in for about a solid week because I like a good switch up. I love short hair, and this is giving me like a little, not a bob, but like I said, like a little pixie, like with the extra pieces sticking out like That's cute. I don't care what nobody says. Like, yes. Here's the back. Y'all, the makeup looks fire today, hello? But I have to take these out. Oh my gosh, it might have been, I don't know which one is worse, like rollers or these, because I don't know if you can see, I tried to wrap the ends up so I wasn't getting poked, but I still feel like some of those pieces of the pipe cleaner, like it's like a thin piece of metal in here, and yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but that's poking me. I'm not too happy about that. Ultimately, this is probably a one and done style, but I can say I do like how this looks, you know, even though it hasn't been a full day. This is a cool look in itself. Oh yeah, I'm getting poked right there, and it's probably just a user error. But if you follow me on IG, I asked, has anyone else experienced this problem? A couple of y'all said yes. Like one person said this was the worst sleep she's ever had. So yeah, probably won't be doing this again because it was pretty bad. But hold on, I'm seeing something. I'm gonna be super gentle taking this down too, just because like I wrap these ends and I don't have time to be ripping no hair out. Okay, stop. Stop. Wait. Oh, the other way. Y'all better not tell me I held a curl overnight. Y'all know that is impossible in my hair, but clearly not. Stop. Y'all, this mousse is the truth. Oh my goodness, let me calm down. Stop it. I got tears in my eyes because I suffered last night, but I'm overjoyed that the pain did not go for nothing. The pain and suffering. Which way am I twisting here? Okay. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Let me get a tissue, honey, because the corner of these eyes are leaking. Oh my God, it's literally always one. Now, I don't know how these thicker ones are gonna do because, like I said, the center of my hair is thicker. You saw how the good that. Oh yes, goodness. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. And it's like a sense of relief when I unwind these too. Whew. Whew. I just praise the Lord that I'm holding a curl. But I did ask on Instagram, but I want to know from my YouTube community, have you guys done this style? And have you experienced loss of sleep because of it? Someone mentioned pillow curls. I've done those before, so I may have to try those again. It was a while ago actually, but I might try them again. But I have to find some that don't leave all of that white, not residue, but white flakes in my hair from the cotton, I guess it is. So I think there's some satin ones. So I think that's what she said, satin. So I'll look for some satin ones. That'll do me better. So this is the finished product. I did pin up my bang a little bit just to get it out of my eyes, but I'm actually really impressed with how this came out. This product, we'll be using this moving forward. I wish that I used this as a loose natural. Like, oh my gosh, I've been hearing nothing but great things. My friend recommended this for me to try. And y'all, the other mousses that I used in the past, I don't think this would have held like this in a night. So the fact that this is this defined and it hasn't even been a full 24 hours blows my mind. I was gonna try to keep it in for multiple days, but y'all, the sleep was awful. But yeah, I am tired. I am thankful though that it came out how it did, because I would have been really hurt if these results did not do anything. Like, I do have one that's kind of just, you know, a little limp here. I've always expected that when doing a curly style, but y'all, they're springing. I didn't separate anything. If it naturally separated when I took it down, I let it stay that way, but if it didn't, I did not separate it. But I like it. I have not seen my hair this short since I started my journey. Like, that's crazy. Just a little flashback here. But y'all, I gotta say, I'm impressed, but will I do it again? Not anytime soon. I don't know if I'm willing to risk my sleep like that again. But I did find out on Instagram that I'm not the only one that loses sleep when doing pipe cleaner curls. So let me know, when you do this, does it work for you? Do you have a good sleep? Do you not? What are your results? What do those look like? And will you try this out? I'm not trying to deter anyone at all, but if you do value your sleep like I do, it may be a little difficult. But it could not be. So don't let me steer you away from trying it if you do want to. It does take a little time. Like I said, it did take about 3 hours to install, maybe a little over an hour to take down, maybe an hour and a half. But yeah, I gotta say, I do love the results. I do love the outcome, and I'm thankful that she did what she needed to do. So thankful. But yeah, y'all, let me know how you feel about the look. How did I do? Do you think I got the best results? Should I have left it in longer and toughed it out another night? Or do you think it looks good as is? And also let me know if you will try this, because I want to know. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Also turn on the bell, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.